Welcome to Healthline Champions, your go-to channel for all things holistic health and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of holistic health, mind, body, and spirit. Feeling stressed out? Try some deep breathing exercises or go for a mindful walk in nature. Remember, laughter is the best medicine. So don't forget to throw in a good old belly laugh every now and then. Looking to boost your immune system? Load up on colorful fruits and veggies. It's all about balance, folks. So don't be too hard on yourself if you indulge in a treat every now and then. Hydration is key, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Say goodbye to toxic energy and negative vibes. Surround yourself with positivity and good energy. Self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary. So go ahead and treat yourself to that bubble bath or cozy night in. Don't forget to tune in next week for more tips and tricks on how to live your best, most holistic life. And remember, like and subscribe to Healthline Champions for more videos on holistic health. Until next time, stay happy, healthy, and holistically aligned.